Hi everyone, my name is Sidham. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some awesome intros and outros for your YouTube channels using this amazing website, which basically takes templates made from other creators and you can kind of turn those into your own unique intros and outros, which really bring your videos to the next level. So what is this website exactly? Well, some of you may already know this website, but for those of you who don't, this website is called panzoid.com. All right, so go to a web browser and type in panzoid.com. You can also click the link in the top description if you're too lazy to type that in. But anyways, once you get to the website, it should look something like this. You don't actually have to log in. You don't actually need to create an account at all. You just kind of want to scroll down here. And as you can see, we already got some intros here. You got Minecraft intros, Netflix intros and stuff. But if you're not pleased with any of these, you can click more creations and you can actually search for your own intros. Just keep in mind that some of these are going to be kind of broken and some of these may not work. As you can see, there's like copy and paste intros here. So for example, if we go to this one here, as you can see, it's just kind of a red screen and this one's not going to work. So just keep that in mind. If this like preview thing is odd, you probably shouldn't use that intro. All right. Usually the ones you can trust are on the trending or top tabs. Just keep in mind that most of the ones that are like the top tabs are probably ones that people have used a lot. I think I've seen this Panda one quite a few times, so I've seen this one as well. But anyways, we're gonna scroll down here, and the farther you scroll, obviously, the more unique ones you're probably gonna find. But just choose any one you like. As you see, there's like an outro here, which you can put your channel name, your videos here. Got some like crazy anime intros going on. But anyways, I'm just going to choose a random one here. So once you find one you like, you're going to click on it and open it in Clipmaker. All right, so you should kind of see a little preview of your text. And don't worry if it's upside down, that's usually normal. If it's just kind of like a black screen, you probably want to choose another intro. So anyways, to kind of see what we're working with here and kind of the song this person chose for this template, we're going to click this eyeball here till it turns red, and then we're going to click the play button. So as you see, that's a pretty cool intro. But obviously, we want to replace your name with our channel name. So to do that, we're going to go over here to the left and click on the 3D box labeled objects. And we can extend this just a little bit. And we're going to scroll down till we see the text layer, which is right here. Now, as you can see, there are actually multiple text layers. And the reason for that is because there's the 2D text layer right here, which is the blue text in front, and the 3D text, which is the second layer, which is behind it, to kind of make the text look 3D and kind of pop out. All right. So we want to change these. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on them and we can change it right here. So this is a 2-line intro. They're also 1-line intros. So like if you're named like 2 different words, like for example, if we named ourselves like Epic Gamer, we're going to change this first name here to Epic. And as you can see, that changed the 2D text layer, but we still need to change the 3D text layer. So let's name this Epic. And as you can see, now it's Epic name, right? But if your name's like something like my name, which is Symptom, obviously, then you probably want to choose a different intro because it will look a little weird if you just have like a one-line name here. Anyways, we're going to change this bottom one to Gamer and change this one to Gamer. And as you can see, now it says Epic Gamer. Now let's see what this looks like. Oh, so we forgot to change this. So there must be one other text layer down here, and here it is. So this is a 1-line name, but we're just gonna name it Epic Space Gamer, like so. Oh, that looks really weird. Okay, we gotta change this layer behind it. Epic Gamer. There we go. That's looking normal. Now we should be about good. Yeah, that's looking pretty cool. There's also some other settings you can mess with. One of the main ones you kind of want to check out is if you click this check mark box here, you can change the video resolution. I would recommend setting this to whatever you record in. So if you record in 1080p, keep it at 1080p. If you're recording 720p normally, you should change it to 720p. I'm just going to keep it at 1080p for now. And the frame rate, same applies there. If you record in 60 FPS, keep it at 60 FPS. If you're recording 30 normally, keep it at 30. You can also change the length of the video, so you can make it longer or you can make it shorter. Generally, you don't want it over 10 seconds because people will probably click off the intro. Usually 10 seconds is long enough, so this is a pretty long intro here, I would say. Anyways, if you go to the FX button, as you can see here are all of the like effects that you have on this thing, and you can actually change these up. Just keep in mind that most of the effects and kind of like camera shakes and stuff, which are here, are synced with the audio. So if you're, for example, changing the audio here on this tab, just keep in mind that you're gonna have to kind of make like all the camera shakes yourselves, which can be pretty complicated. But again, you don't have to mess with this stuff. If you're happy with how the intro is, you can just keep it as it is. Anyways, let me show you how to download this now. So we're gonna click the download button here, and you can change the mode here. I would not recommend putting it at extreme quality just because the video can be quite laggy. I generally like to put this at good quality, so I'm going to put it at good quality. And if it's still kind of laggy for you, you can put it at balanced. It will probably render faster, all right? So the format, there's two formats you can choose here, MKV or WebM. This really depends on your editing software. So if it doesn't work for MKV, you could try WebM. Generally, MKV is a little more editing software friendly, so I'm going to choose MKV. Anyways, once we're happy with our intro here, we're going to click Start Video Render, and it'll basically render our video for about 1 to 2 minutes. It's generally pretty quick here, and I'm just going to wait till this finishes, and I'll be right back. Alright, so as you can see, our render is finished. Now to download this video, we're going to click download your video, and it's going to send this the download link here on the bottom left here. So it's titled video.mkv, and we're going to open this file and we can see the intro here. So as you can see, a really cool intro for a YouTube channel. All you have to do is kind of add this into the front of your video in your editing app. And as you can see, super high quality, no watermarks, none of that. Same applies for an outro if you want to do an outro as well. So anyways, guys, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. Just keep that in mind. But this is a really cool way to kind of add intros and outros to your YouTube channel for absolutely free on your computer. If this video helped, leave a big ol' like. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the description below. I do my best I can to help you guys out. And until then, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.